This is the countertop dishwasher. It's amazing. I turned the bright light off so you can see inside better. I just put a few things in that I didn't feel like hand washing. Just for 1 second so you can see. It's nice and hot. One of the very best things that I've ever purchased. It's amazing. Let's turn the light on so that you can see. My only downside is I don't hook it up to the spigot because I don't have a proper spigot to be able to do that. So I just fill it. You fill the top with water, and this is the tube. It's the only bummer, but I hide it best I can. And it goes into the sink and it drains. Fix it the way you need, so you can kind of gauge the size of it. So you can see if it's nicely on the counter. Has like no clearance on the top. It barely slid under the cabinets, but it works amazing. Everything comes out nice and clean and sanitized. It's super quiet. I don't know if you can hear. It's very quiet.
6 minutes left to dry. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at it. This was caked up on here. Fried chicken batter. Clean. This was all caked up. It was all caked up in here, gone. Just had a whole bunch of milk, ice cream in it. That was sitting for like 2 days.
This is why